Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back.
Thanks for coming back.
Have you missed us? Did you think they missed us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, y'all, today, y'all know we've been gone for a while. But that doesn't mean that we haven't been buying stuff, because we have. And today we are going to go over all of this stuff, and we got a lot of stuff. Okay, so we have this package of stuff, and then we have a container of stuff. And I actually feel like we're missing some stuff too, but that's, you know, we'll figure it out along the way. Let's dive into Coco's first so that she can play with it. Now, maybe you saw when we did that video, a TJ Maxx video in Hawaii, Coco went shopping. So she did get this little palette. It's a little Revolution. It was cheap. It's clearanced at $3. Regularly it's $4. It's in my purse. She got lipstick too, but it's actually in my purse for when she needs it. It's this, oh, it's not a highlighter palette, it's an eyeshadow palette. So that's what she got. Okay, I don't even know where to start, y'all. Okay. We did get this while we were in Hawaii at a TJ Maxx. So it's the Marc Jacobs, what is it, like a trio Omega times 3. This is what that looks like. $20, y'all. She is beautiful. I did use the bronzer today. I'm not mad at it. I will say it's not like it's not a Charlotte Tilbury Holy Grail bronzer, but this is a nice little trio to have. Good for traveling also. Did I ever swatch this? I don't know. Let's swatch them. We'll just go across.
Mom, why?
This feels very creamy. These two feel kind of powdery. I do think I swatched these.
Right.
So that's what that looks like.
Right.
Very pretty. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Y'all, just found out recently that I need glasses. I forgot to mention that in the other video because that was another event that happened in our lives that was like, I need glasses. My vision's been slowly getting worse and worse and worse. And I'm like, I can't. Everything is blurry when I look at my phone. So I go get my eyes checked. I thought I just needed reading glasses. Apparently I need glasses for like everyday regular life also, in addition to needing them for reading.
I don't know what that.
This is a blush. It's a blush that we picked up randomly at a Target. The Putty Blush in Tahiti. I think it was a couple dollars. It's also what I'm using today. She is super pretty. I'm not mad at these, but I do kind of feel like I need to blend it too much and then it takes away like some of the foundation, but it gave me a little nice blush.
Well,
I don't know. Maybe I'll try a stippling brush next time and it'll go better for me. Who knows? Another TJ Maxx find. I got this here. I really just got it because I thought this would be cute to display on Christmas. The kids love Buddy the Elf. They called, for a long time, they called him Elf on a Shelf. But I just thought it was cute. $7. But the packaging is so freaking cute. This is what that looks like. She's a cutie. And I thought, okay, for Christmas, yes. You want to see the mirror too, because I don't want to blind you, but look at this. Look how cute. So I had to get it. Y'all, tell me, how's the lighting? Leave me a comment and let me know, because we're in a garage, okay? And I have literally every single light going that I have in my arsenal of lighting, every single one going. Plus I changed the 2 garage lights to daylight lights, and that actually changed pretty much nothing. Okay, this I didn't buy, but unboxing with Arleen, I will link her channel below. She unboxes a lot of stuff. She actually sent this to me as a gift, but she is beautiful. It is Mo Honey, and that is the highlighter that I'm wearing today, and it is, you know, Fenty highlighters though. You can't go wrong with a Fenty highlighter. It's almost like a Becca highlighter. You cannot go wrong. We got this at the cosmetic store. And I want to say Arleen told me that there was a cosmetic store close to where I live now here in DC, but I actually got this at the outlet center that's in Virginia. I don't know the name of it, but I know it was an outlet center. My husband and I went there. She's pretty. I have no clue how much this costs, but this is what she looks like. She's gorgeous. I think you can tell Coco, well, maybe not on camera, but I can tell Coco's little finger swatched this. But she's a pretty one. The lady at that cosmetic store was so rude. So freaking rude. Okay, let's get to something good though. This made me so freaking happy. I did a short when I went into this TJ Maxx. Or was it a Marshalls? It was a Marshalls, because we randomly just came across it one day. Y'all, I have been looking for this since everyone started posting it, and I wanted it, and it was on sale on the Morphe website. Somebody told me it was on sale, but then I'm like, then I have to pay for shipping, so then I'm gonna feel obligated to go and buy more stuff, and I'm just gonna hope that I come across it. Yes, Cherry Coke. So this is what she looks like. And when we left the store, I told my husband, I said, I opened the palette up and I showed him. And I said, who do you think makes this palette? And he was like, Too Faced. And I was like, no, Morphe, because I like hid this part and I was like, Morphe makes it. He was like, did they just rip off Too Faced? Because it's literally looks like exactly like a Too Faced palette. So this I was walking by in Target and I saw it and it was like 20 bucks. And I thought, oh my God, that's so cute. And the kids love Princess and the Frog. And it was like a little book. So I opened it up and I was like, oh my gosh, this right here, life. Like this, Exhibit A, or what is it, Exhibit B, the NARS one. The bronzer, I was like, yes, yes, please. Okay, how do we take this plastic off? She's gorgeous. Okay, let me just swatch. I'll swatch one and one. Okay, I'll swatch that too. Oh, let's swatch this too. Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay. Definitely not mad at this, y'all. Not mad at it. To follow up with that, I was at same place that I got the Morphe palette, found the Sleeping Beauty one, and this was only $8. Another one. $8 compared to the $20 I spent at Target. That's Sleeping Beauty. I think her name was Aurora. Was it Aurora? This is what that one looks like. These are from I Heart Revolution. I'm gonna swatch this because it's pretty. Let's go with this one. Oh, let's go with this one. Let's go with this weird one over here. Can y'all even see what I'm doing? I can't see what I'm doing. Pretty. Oh, wow. I'm not mad at that. Oh, sucky, sucky now. That's pretty. Look. Oh, I like. Mama likey. We got a couple more palettes and so we've got some stuff, okay? We got some stuff. This was one of the Hawaii finds at TJ Maxx. I was happy to find this one, 20 bucks. Generally, when I go to TJ Maxx, I don't spend, you know, 40 something dollars and only leave with 2 things. That time I did. I gotta get it out. Oh, because you gotta open it. Okay, that is what that looks like. I don't know how much these normally retail for, but I know they're a lot more than 20 bucks. So I was happy to find this one. I haven't swatched it. This one is creamy.
I have my hand too.
You have some?
Yeah.
Okay, swatch them. Swatch them and then let's do one. The matte is even creamier than a butt cream for babies. What is it called? What is that? Diaper rash cream. Oh my, what is happening right now? Cannot handle, oh my God. You know, I need to go back to Hawaii just to go to TJ Maxx because they literally had the best TJ Maxx that I have ever gone to. And I stopped at a lot of TJ Maxx's while we were traveling across the country. That was the best. Also, since we have been MIA, I will let y'all know our Instagram is twins_times_2. Pretty much keep everyone up to date on life there in my Instagram story, so go ahead and follow us there. Then we did get this one here. This is the Pat McGrath Bridgerton collab. I really liked that show. I used this palette today to create this look. I actually only used 2 shades. I used this shade here and then this shade here. So just these 2 shades, but this palette, mwah, beautiful. I do feel like this shade gave me more of a purple feel than what it actually looks like in the pan. And then I did a little research because this was a $60-something palette, $65, $70 palette. Because I'm like, I'm never going to use that. But this one, I'll swatch it for you. This one looks like it's pretty blue, but it has this weird iridescent shine to it. And I think when you use it, it doesn't look as blue. At least in the reviews that I watched on it, it doesn't come off so blue. So that's why I was like, okay, I need this. I need this in my life. Okay, what else do we got? I got this at a random, I've never tried any Lush products. This is the Fresh Face Mask, the Cosmetic Warrior. I haven't used it yet, but I am excited. So I'm gonna carry this upstairs when we go upstairs and try that out. And then I also grabbed this. So this is one of those YSLs. I think these are like 40-something dollars. I got this in Bloomingdale's, I think, but gorgeous. This is in the shade 43. It's what I'm wearing right now. Let's put it on again. These are like butter, like room temperature butter. I'll swatch it for you too. So this is what that one looks like. They're just so glossy. I have a ton of these that I've collected over time, and I will say the packaging is beautiful, but also the quality is just, it is there. And then also I saw a TikTok on how you can pull these out, and then there's a lot more lipstick in there, and then someone also like took this gold YSL circle thing off and like made it into a ring. So I was like, oh, that's pretty dope. Okay, now we have a bunch of Believe beauty stuff. I forgot to mention in the last video, on top of all of the other things that were going on, I'll link the last video, we also just got back from Pennsylvania. Randomly, we were in Pennsylvania. Don't even ask, it's not that random. Tito went to JoJo Siwa, and then the day before the JoJo Siwa concert, they were having a WWE SmackDown, I don't know what you call it, wrestling thing at that same arena. So we actually left a day early. So we left on Friday. My husband and my man went to the wrestling thing on Friday. And then on Saturday, him and Tito went to see JoJo Siwa. And the funniest thing is on our way home, he was like, you know, I'm almost 40 years old. That was my first concert I ever went to, and it was JoJo Siwa. And it's just, I'll put a picture of them together before we dropped them off and they were in front of the arena. It's so stinking cute. But I thought that was funny. Anyway, while they were at the wrestling thing, we stopped into a Dollar General, which I hadn't been in a Dollar General for, I swear it has to be like 20 years, because I think there was only one in California. There's none in Hawaii, obviously none in Japan, but I heard so much about Believe Beauty. So first I walk by and I see some Believe skincare, and I'm like, packaging looks nice, let's check this out. So I got the hydrating night mask, the exfoliating in shower face mask, and then the exfoliating pads. I think each of these were between $4 and $5. I haven't used the pads yet. I did use the mask. I don't know if I love it. I also feel like you get a lot of product for $4, so you can't really complain. This gave me St. Ives apricot scrub vibes. Seriously. It wasn't as gritty. Like, you know that St. Ives one is just basically like sand. Just a bunch of sand. This has a lot less, but the thickness of the grains that are in this are really, really big. Laura Mercier makes one in like a pink bottle, significantly smaller, super fine grains. It's amazing, but I don't think that one's, it's not $4. But it's good. Okay, then we picked up some other stuff. Y'all, that Dollar General, I ended up spending like $100. I don't even know how that happened. I got that Easter sign back there, and I got like a shoe rack, and then this makeup and some other random stuff. Anyway, I tried to hurry up and kind of look and see what was the best, because you can't return it, you can't swatch it. So I picked some of the things that I saw in thumbnails of other YouTubers. I did get this. This is a highlighter stick. She's pretty. Does she dry? I don't think she dries. You know, I don't actually think I love that. I don't know. Looking at it now after I kind of blend it out, oh yeah, I guess you can see it. I can't see it because I'm in this dark ass garage, but when I face it to the light, I can see it. So okay, not mad at it. Then we got this little blush here. It's a cream blush in a peachy shade. It really feels like a lip balm or lip gloss or something. It's Color Me Cream Blush in Tropical Sunset. Okay, we gotta wrap this up because our camera died and it's gonna die again. We got this, which a lot of other YouTubers have reviewed. We grabbed these two. They were on clearance for $3.55. And then we got this little blush highlighter duo thing. Okay. Couple more things to go through. What's Up Beauty sent me a PR box. Sounds really cool. PR box. This is their Desert Monsoon collection. This eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. I swatched it. It is amazing. On Instagram, I asked if y'all wanted a review on the products, so you said yes. That will be coming soon. They also sent me their nail polish collection. I'll put this here because the nail polish is actually in the car. I took it with me to the nail salon and had them paint my nails, but now I have different nails. Then they sent me six of their brushes, and I'm showing them to you in the package because the packaging here is, it's better than the packaging in a high-end brand. I mean, I've never received brushes, even from like Huda or, you know, like high-end or luxury brands. They send them like in a little plastic thing, and then maybe it's wrapped in a nice, you know, tissue paper. This has a little pull tab to come up. it just, I mean, the thought behind this, love, love, love. And then you just pop your brush out. They gave me a bunch of different brushes. It's a full line of brushes, y'all. So I was super, super excited when they emailed me and asked me if I wanted to be on their PR list. I'm like, yes, that sounds really cool. That sounds like I've made it in life, you know. And who doesn't want to try new brands or indie brands, up and coming brands? I will link their information below. They didn't give me a coupon code, but I'm pretty sure like if you sign up for their emails or something, there's got to be like a 10% code out there somewhere, right? I'll ask them before I do the review if I can get a code for y'all, because this palette, not gonna lie, when I swatched it, I was actually really impressed, and I wasn't sure that I would be impressed because it is a small brand, and I feel like smaller brands don't have the money that Too Faced or Pat McGrath has to like put, you know, all of the best ingredients or however you make makeup. This is like, it's it. That shade, I was blown away. I swatched this one multiple times because I just had to look at it. It was so pretty. Oh, it's blinking. It's red. We gotta go. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell. You're leaving me hanging, Coco. Like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Yeah. Bye!
Mama, that's so crazy. Cinderella.
That's not Cinderella. That's Tiana.
Tiana.
Okay, you wanna swatch one?
Purple.
Okay, swatch.
Where purple?
You know where purple is. Yeah.
And you're Chloe.
You're Chloe.
No, you're Chloe.
No, you're Chloe.
No, you're Chloe.
No, you Chloe.
No, you're Chloe.
No, literally, your name is Chloe. You're Chloe.
No, you're Chloe.
No, I'm Mama.
No, you're Chloe.
No, I'm Kyla.
You're not Kyla. Kyla.
I'm Cam.
No, you are Shannon.
I am Shannon.
And I'm Chloe.
And you are Chloe.
I can see. I can see.
I can see. We need to make lunch.
No,
Oh.
I can see that earring.
You can? We don't have any milk, dude. When's Daddy coming home from the store? Oh, you're back. Why? I didn't realize you were gone. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Are you a rock star?
Yeah.
And everybody loves you?
No.
Oh, I think they do. Pretty sure everybody loves you.
I don't see you.
Oh, don't say y'all. No, the teepee. No.
Tiana.
Tiana.
Tiana. They are purple and pink.
Yep, want to swatch one of those?
And blue. I have it. I have it.
We're getting a lot of trash everywhere. It's consuming me. Look what I have. Okay, y'all, camera died, so we need to shed.